Hey Cajon drummers, and welcome back. You know, I got some comments recently saying, Ross, we're good for grooves. Like, you've got so many grooves on your channel, but what we don't have is a lot of fills. So I had a look through my channel and I was like, yeah, this is basically all grooves and no fills. So, you know what? We need some fills. We need them now. And we're gonna start with some of the fills that I imagine you can use in a lot of different situations. And we'll do 5 fills today. We get a nice head start tackling this fill deficiency on the channel. We'll start off really basic and then towards the end, a little higher level, but generally I think this video is gonna be open for players of all levels. Let's begin with number 1. Here we go. Okay, so there are 5 new fills for you to learn on the Cajon. Should be okay if you're a beginner. I know we did speed up each time, adding 10 beats per minute for each fill, but rhythmically we kept it fairly simple. If it ever gets too fast, don't forget YouTube does let you slow down videos. So there's a little settings icon at the bottom right of the video. If there's a rhythm that was just a little bit too fast, you can click on that, slow it down, practice it, and then try to speed it up again later. So I think there are a lot of situations that you can use any of those fills. Let's just say this is volume 1 of a collection of useful fills. I think this is going to be a long list. It's hard to keep track of because I improvise all of my fills basically. So this will be a nice exercise, I think, to try and capture some of the best ones, the most useful ones, so that you can learn them on the Cajon as well. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Any comments or questions, leave them down below the video. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe. If you'd like notifications, there's a little bell that you can tap as well. That way you'll know whenever I release a new video. And I do have a members area on my channel as well, where we do weekly homework assignments. If that sounds like something interesting to you, have a look at the join button underneath the video as well. Guys, I will see you on the next video. Happy Cajon practice. See you later. Bye.